A report drops and suddenly Washington is buzzing because the claim it is explosive. Not confirmed though, not officially acknowledged, but explosive. And you know what the headline is? A new report says some senior advisors around Donald Trump believes an Israeli strike on Iran could shift the political equation inside America. That's right. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and an attack in the Middle East is changing public opinion in the United States. Well, you know what is being alleged here? According to reports, certain voices in Trump's inner circle thinks that if Israel strikes Iranian nuclear or military targets and if Iran retaliates, American public opinion could harden. Sympathy could tilt towards intervention. Support for the US military involvement would grow, and that is the strategic calculation that is being discussed, at least according to the sources that are quoted. But you know why this is controversial? Because it suggests a chain reaction. Step 1, Israel acts. Step 2, Iran responds. And step 3, the US steps in. Not automatically, but politically empowered. And that is the dangerous ladder to climb here. There is nuclear backdrop to this. Iran's nuclear program remains at the center of the global tension. Enrichment level, sanctions pressure, diplomatic talks that stall, restart, and then stall again. In the meantime, Israel has long mentioned it will really not allow Iran to acquire a nuclear weapon anytime. So the possibility of unilateral Israeli action is not something that is impossible. It has always been part of the strategic conversation. Wait, are joint operations being discussed? Well, reports suggest discussions may include cooperation scenario, joint operation, shared intelligence, strategic alignment. All while diplomatic channels are still technically open. Two tracks running at the center, talks in one room, war planning in another. In fact, the risks are massive. If Iran is struck, retaliation could target the Israeli cities, US bases in the region, shipping lanes in the Gulf. And once missiles start flying, escalation becomes hard to control. American casualties, it would change the domestic political climate overnight. And wait, there is another layer here. Strategists worry that a major Middle East conflict could stretch the US military resources. At a time when China's posture towards Taiwan, it remains tensed. If Washington is deeply involved in the Middle East war, does that create opportunity elsewhere? These are not any small calculations. They are global. Now here's what the White House is saying. Publicly, they are not confirming anything, any such discussions, but there is no endorsement, there is no denial with specifics, just a very usual language about protecting American interests and supporting its ally, but in silence. In moments like this, it can be very powerful, the statements. And this report matters. Why? Because perception, again, it shapes the market. Perception shapes the alliance, it shapes the military readiness. If regional actors believe coordination is imminent, they prepare accordingly. Missile defense active, naval forces repositioned, allies hold urgent meetings. Well, the psychological battlefield intensifies. So back to square one. Is this strategy or speculation? Are these serious internal debates or early stage thinking amplified by leaks? We do not know though, but what we know is this. The Middle East is already tensed. Iran's rhetoric is sharper. Israel's security posture is heightened, and Washington is watching every move.